see if we can't pick up where we left off. Get the tail section hooked back up. As you can see, the battery is nice and connected. So I want to get the tail section hooked up. So there's this little screw that was missing here. You can kind of see, over time, you kind of do maintenance on the bikes. And you can see here that little piece was missing the screw. So I did get some hardware. So that's one of the things going through this. I want to replace all the missing screws. Looks like maybe another one here. Yes, I have some hardware that I'm gonna add to this. Let me grab that. It's always good to have like some stuff on hand. So the plastic fasteners, some nylon washers. I think I might have got this from Amazon probably. And it's just a whole bunch of fasteners that I can use. I think I bought this from maybe a hardware store once before. I had like maybe an emergency bolt come loose. And also got this riveter just in case. Shouldn't have to use that, but so before I put all the pieces back on, I'm gonna double check, make sure all the fasteners are there, and then kind of get the Hayabusa back on the road. One of these, let's see, a fastener that was once missing. It's now connected, so I'm gonna do this throughout the whole bike. All right, so one thing I'm gonna do is, before I connect things, I'm gonna put a little bit of this electronics cleaner on some of the contacts. So just a little shot. So this one too. This has to reconnect. This is the lock. So that's fastened. So just need to orient everything, make sure the wires are in the right spot, and get it situated. All right, so we have this grab bar that we're gonna put back on, and it fits just like so. But let's go ahead and clean it up first before putting it on. All right, the Busa is coming together. We got most of the trim pieces and fairings back on. Try to replace a bunch of hardware where it made sense. Even pulled out some paint correction cleaning stuff over there. Pulled out the dual action just to kind of get the little shine on some of the stuff. So now I'm gonna put the side mirrors on, clean those up and put those on, and then we'll be almost ready to go. Do want to take it on another shakedown run with all the fairings and stuff back on. The last time we took it for a ride, it was just after we first started it up, but now with everything back on, the chain adjusted and lubed, I want to take it for a little longer spin, so wait for a nice clear day to do that. Hopefully we'll be able to get all the rest of the trim pieces on, but almost there. project is all wrapped up. It's running good, ready to go. Actually had a nice opportunity to test drive this one, which is didn't need anything, you know. It's been rocking and rolling for a while. Has the Brock's performance exhaust, stretch swing arm, so this was really nice to test ride, you know, this Busa.
Oh yeah, it likes that 9,000. That's when it starts to come alive. It's pretty composed, but you can tell it's a beast. But it's linear power delivery, and it's pretty predictable. And that big swing arm that's on the back of this bike, it lets you put the power down. And this exhaust sounds great.